Hello viewers, it's that time of the year again. It's May in 2025 and towards the end of this month there will be the manned exam for MRCS ENT in Edinburgh in Scotland. Over the years I have dished out a lot of unsolicited advice for how to prepare for MRCS ENT. I have several videos talking about that. In this video I want to wish all the best to all the people appearing in MRCS ENT in May 2025. Some of them I know personally, and it gives me a lot of satisfaction to know that many people are appearing in this exam. If not for anything else, then it just validates my decision to appear in the exam in May 2023. I am very confident that all of you will pass, and if there is anything I can do to help, please do feel free to reach out. Also, I want to point out at some helpful videos on my channel that you can check out while you're waiting for your flight at the airport. These videos will help you. Some of them talk about the last minute advice regarding how to prepare for MRCS ENT manned exam. Some of them talk about the commonly made mistakes that you should avoid. And you can also check out my video where I have talked about the most scary station, that is the flexible nasoendoscopy station, where I described the things you should remember while performing the task. Also remember, when you're performing the task for flexible nasoendoscopy, just treat the mannequin as a real person. You should also spray the nose of the mannequin, even though the mannequin can't really feel anything. But time management is the key, so practice drawing diagrams of the laryngeal pathology or the nasal pathology. Even if the patient is having complaints of epistaxis, don't stop the endoscopy in the nose. Go all the way and visualize the larynx. And if it's epistaxis, then you should see both nasal cavities. So these are the points that I wanted to mention. And another thing I want to mention is, if you are going to Scotland, then during the flight, if you have that option, many flights have in-flight entertainment options. During the flight, if you're not studying, then do watch some Scottish movies so you can familiarize yourself with the Scottish accent, where you can understand what they are saying without having to read the subtitles. So have the subtitles off and try to understand every word, or maybe have the subtitles on and see if what you thought they said is exactly what they said according to the subtitles. So familiarize yourself with the Scottish accent, because it is a communication skill exam where you have to understand what they are saying. If too much time is spent in asking the person to repeat what they said, then valuable time will be lost. You have to finish the task in 7 minutes. Also, don't forget to sanitize your hands. Don't forget to wear gloves. Infection control is of utmost importance. So that was my advice. Also remember one thing, don't forget to carry those plug adapters, because of course UK power sockets are not the same as the power sockets you'll encounter in India, and there is this endless debate about whether you should use credit card or forex card. Both of them have their own advantages. Forex card has the advantage of fixed exchange rate. It doesn't fluctuate on the basis of which day you are using it. But credit card has the advantage of convenience. It is accepted in almost every vendor, every merchant site. You can also get some benefits like airport lounge access, other benefits that you don't really get with forex cards. So both of them have their advantages and disadvantages. I would suggest the ideal situation would be to carry both and use forex card mostly and credit card sparingly. But if you don't have the option of carrying both, either one should suffice. Credit card would be slightly more expensive but more convenient. Forex card would be less expensive but less convenient. As far as cash is concerned, most places in the UK do not accept cash or do not ask for cash, but cab drivers will happily accept cash. But there are many options, many public transport options where you really don't have the option of paying in cash. In that case, you do need a contactless card, basically a card with a Wi-Fi symbol. So that was my advice, and again, all the best for MRCS ENT manned exam. After this, you have the long process up to GM's registration, all of which has been explained on this channel. So do check those videos out. I'm sure they will help you. Bye bye.